So in regards to the batches, what you have is you've got the. I'll just spell it out. So what you have to do here is you've got units. So the key thing with batches, it's the number of units that you're going to produce during a year. Units for year, yeah, and which will be your sales, yeah, which is going to be 12,000 for standard, and for deluxe it will also be 12,000. Yep. Units per batch, yeah. So units per batch, which is 1,000. So you can get 1,000 units in a batch, and that's 50, yeah. So number of batches, yeah, is just going to be however many units you can put in that batch divided by the number of units that you need to produce for the year. Okay. 240. Okay, fine. So number of batches, 240. Then you've got the number of setups per batch, and what we're looking for is what you're looking for here is the number of setups. So number of setups per batch is 3 and 1. So setups per batch is 1 and 3. So you've got total setups, yeah, which is going to be that times that. So 720 setups and 12 setups. So the total setups are this, total setups yeah, are that. Okay. So then your setup costs, let's move these together. Setup costs are, so this is going to be per unit, or let's say, no, let's not do that. And then we'll just say total set, let's just do it down here. So you've got total setups, and then setup costs, which is 73,200. So cost per setup is that divided by that, which is 100. So it's 100 costs per setup. Yeah. Sure, I can do that. 100 costs per setup. Um, 12 of those setups belong to standard. So we take 12, yeah, times 100. And then we take 720 times by 100. Okay. And then you would see standard only has 1,200, whereas deluxe has 72,000. Okay.